Hello my loves, and welcome to our ultimate nail art showdown, Chrome vs Sugar and Velvet. We're kicking things off with a super chic design for Team Chrome. Let's get started. On a nude base, I'm applying a silver magnetic gel. Let's use our magnet to get that beautiful shimmer. Now seal it in with the top coat. Time for that mirror effect. I'm rubbing gold chrome powder all over the nail. Using a rubber top coat for a cool 3D effect, I'm drawing on our first set of petals and curing. And now for the magic. Wipe the nail with cleanser to reveal the petals underneath. So cool, right? If you love this trick, make sure to hit that like button. To add more dimension, I'm repeating those exact steps with a stunning rose gold chrome to create a second layer of petals. For the final touch, I'm adding a tiny rhinestone right in the center with a dot of top coat. And here's the finished look. What do we think of our first design for Team Chrome? Let me know in the comments if you're Team Chrome or Team Sugar and Velvet. Alright, you've seen Team Chrome's starting flower, but now it's time for the first challenger from Team Sugar and Velvet. Let's see how it stacks up. I'm starting with that same gorgeous silver magnetic base, but here's the twist, we're sealing it with a matte top coat for a soft frosted finish. Using a black gel, I'm drawing this simple, elegant leaf branch. And the most important steps for this look is do not cure it yet. While that black gel is still wet, we're going to pour a fine velvet powder right over the top until the design is completely covered. Now it's time to cure. Afterwards, we just brush away all the excess powder. And there it is, a beautiful textured velvet design that is so soft and elegant. Okay, the first official battle is on. It's time to choose the winner. Which one is it for you? The shiny metallic daisy from Team Chrome or this delicate velvet leaf from Team Sugar and Velvet? Vote for your round 1 winner in the comments below. Welcome to round 2. Team Chrome's second design is here and it's pure royalty. On a white base, I'm blending pink eyeshadow from the center for a soft ombre. Now add a top coat. Rub in this Pearly Aurora coral and seal it with another top coat. Next, I'm drawing on our 3D effects using a rubber top coat and giving it a cure. Let's rub gold chrome right over that raised design. How cool is this effect? Show Team Chrome some love and hit that like button. Time for the bling. I'm adding a red and clear gem right in the center, and to finish we'll surround the gem with tiny gold beads. After a final cure, we're done. Here's the final look, a royal jewel right on your nails. Is Team Chrome winning you over? Cast your vote in the comments and tell me what you think. Team Chrome brought the royal jewel, but Team Sugar and Velvet is fighting back with something super sweet. First, I'm creating a beautiful glitter fade near the cuticle. Then, I'm blending it down into this soft pink base for a perfect sparkly ombre background. it that pretty base with a quick layer of top coat. Using a matching pink gel, I'm drawing on a deep French tip and a cute little heart right above it. And you know the rule by now, don't cure it yet. While that gel is still wet, we'll generously sprinkle on our velvet powder until the design is fully covered. Give it final cure and then simply brush away all the extra powder. It's so easy. And here she is, a gorgeous texture design that's as sweet as candy and so fun to touch. It's time for you to judge round 2. What's your pick? Elegant royal jewel from Team Corum or this adorable sweetheart sugar design? Tell me which team is winning in the comments below. Here it is, a final explosive design for Team Corum. On a black nail, I'm sponging on a super thin layer of white gel. Right away, I'm brushed on this vibrant blue and purple pigment to create a gorgeous galaxy base. Now for the secret trick, seal it all in with the top coat. This is the most important step, trust me. Using a regular glossy top coat, draw on some curvy abstract lines. After a quick cure, rub silver chrome powder over glossy lines. And look at that, how amazing is that? And just like that, our cosmic design is done. That's all 3 looks from Team Corum. It is time for the grand final. Team Corum's cosmic lines were stunning, but here is the very last design for Team Sugar and Velvet. On a nude base, I'm using foil glue to press on some pretty, iridescent foil flakes for a shattered look. Once that's done, I'll seal it all in with a top coat, and you know the technique by now. I'm drawing a beautiful swirl with white gel, and while it's still wet, we'll cover it completely in a sparkly sugar powder. Give it a final cure, brush off the extra, and it's finished. A super quick, sparkly, and textured design to finish the fight. Okay everyone, the time has come. You have seen all 6 incredible nail designs, the shiny metallic magic of Team Corum versus the soft textured beauty of Team Sugar and Velvet. The final decision is all yours. Which team are you on? Let me know in the comments below and help me crown our official nail art champion.